Two of the biggest names in email marketing go head-to-head, but which one actually gives you the edge? On one side, the iconic, feature-rich Mailchimp, and on the other, the rising contender Brevo, known for its versatility. Let's look past the marketing hype and focus on what really matters. Each round earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which platform pulls ahead. You might just be surprised by the winner. Here, what we're looking at today: price, email features, CRM and integrations, analytics and reporting, ease of use plus support and community. Basically all the stuff that actually matters when you're choosing a platform. First up, price. So Mailchimp gives you a pretty generous free tier for up to 500 contacts, which honestly is great if you're just starting. But I gotta say, once you outgrow that, Mailchimp starts getting pretty premium, especially if your list starts growing. Sometimes add-ons sneak up, and well, so does the bill. Now Brevo. Oh, and here's something cool: Brevo's whole vibe is transparent, flexible pricing. It's actually way more affordable if you're sending at high volume. Plus, unlimited contacts on most plans. Sure, some of the fancy features still cost extra, but overall, Brevo takes this round. Swinging over to email features. Mailchimp's got all the classic stuff: really robust templates, lovely drag and drop, and even some AI email suggestions. The automations are good, but the more advanced stuff is, you guessed it, paywalled. With Brevo, you get this neat combo: transactional and marketing emails plus automation all in one platform. Deliverability, super solid. Oh, and it throws SMS and WhatsApp in there too. The only catch: the interface isn't immediately intuitive if you're new. They're honestly both strong here, so I'm calling this one a tie. Now, CRM and integrations. Mailchimp, yeah, it plays nice with the main platforms: Shopify, WordPress, all that jazz. You get native forms, basic landing pages. For actual CRM though, it's functional but not exactly blowing minds. Flip to Brevo and this is where it flexes. You get a full-on CRM suite: sales pipelines, live chat, SMS, WhatsApp, heck, even Facebook ads built in. Loads of API and plugin support. Some integrations do take a bit of technical finagling, but if you want everything in one place, Brevo totally owns this category. Did you know Mailchimp actually started as a side project back in 2001, and their original mascot was a dapper chimp named Freddy? Yeah, that little guy made email look cool. Let's talk analytics and reporting next. Mailchimp lays it out clearly: campaign analytics, easy to grok benchmarking tools, very approachable. The only thing is, if you want live data updates, it can feel a bit behind. Brevo, on the other hand, goes for advanced engagement analytics and real-time dashboards. You get way more depth, but custom reports? Yup, gotta pay. Bottom line, you'll get solid insight no matter which you choose, so I'm calling it even. Alright, time for ease of use. Mailchimp absolutely nails it. The interface? Honestly, it's award-winning, super beginner-friendly, awesome onboarding, so easy your dog could send a newsletter. Well, almost. If you get really advanced, you might wish for more power. Brevo, meanwhile, gives you way more powerful tools and flexibility, but it's got that learning curve. It's not exactly plug and play for total newbies. So Mailchimp totally takes the win on usability. Last comparison: support and community. Mailchimp has an absolutely massive user base and tons of help docs, but want phone support? Better upgrade, my friend. On the other side, Brevo does 24/7 chat and email support, even for most affordable plans. Multilanguage resources too. The global user base is definitely not as huge as Mailchimp, but support, way more accessible. Brevo pulls ahead here. If you look at the big picture, Brevo's popping ahead in pricing, CRM power, and support. Mailchimp's strength? Honestly, the ease of use is hard to beat, and their design is still top tier. Honestly, if you want something super simple and beautiful, and you're maybe a one-person show or small biz, Mailchimp's a cozy fit. But if you're aiming to scale, you want more automation or sales features, or you want the absolute most bang for your buck, Brevo just comes out on top. If this helped, let us know what you want us to compare next. And hey, subscribe for more smart, no BS reviews.